Hello, hello guys, what's up? So today I'm going to show you how to hack, how to hack, hack this game. Now, where's this game? So I've already hacked that. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you how to hack. Shucks, I think the game is Subway Surfers. Here it is, right over there. Subway Surfers. I'm gonna show you how to hack Subway Surfers. Now it's gonna be easy. It's for a normal app routine. So guys, let's get to it. So, first thing what you would want to do is I've already made a video how to get Lucky Petra. So let's go right into Lucky Petra. Now, first thing what you do is you press on Lucky Petra. Then you press on menu of patches. Sorry, wrong. Menu of patches. Then that. Then there. Then there. Then you wait. So guys, I'm gonna keep you company while we wait. So you wait till it's full and done. So when this is done, I'm gonna show you. Then I'm gonna go on with the video. Okay guys, so stay tuned. I'm just gonna pause this video till it's done. I'm gonna show you what to do when it's already hacked. Goodbye. So guys, as you can see, it's still loading. So guys, I'm just gonna tell you, I'm just gonna talk to you with you. Oh, I'm just gonna talk for a little bit. Now, if you subscribe, please leave a comment down below. It doesn't have to be much. You can just say hi or what's going on, or can you maybe show me how to hack this game or this game. Please don't give me online games. I'm not at that stage yet. And guys, so yeah, if you want to ask me how to download this certain game, I can download Minecraft for free. If you want me to do that video, I can, yeah, do pretty much anything what you want me to do, what includes hacking. So here we can see it's busy here now. It's almost done. Yeah, almost. Yeah guys, it's almost time. So just wait till everything's done before you can. Oh, this is pretty cool. I can like color in my screen. Yeah baby, you can't see anything what's happening. Okay guys, just leave that. Okay, I'm just missing. Okay, it's done. Then you press on browse. So then you press on that. You press on that. Yes. Okay. Uninstall. Uninstall finished. Install. Just wait till it's done. It will probably take a little moment, but okay. So guys, so this is just taking a little moment now. Stay tuned. I'll come back right after it's loaded. It loaded. Okay guys, so please don't miss my video, and I'm gonna pause it, and then when it's done I'm gonna show you. Okay guys, now what you want to do is you're going to press on done. You want to go out of Lucky Petra. Wait, you want to go out of Lucky Petra guys. You want to go here. Oh wait, there it is. You want to go in Subway Surfers. Now first, this is still gonna load. What the hell? Okay, it's gonna tell you that, but don't worry about that. I'm just gonna wait till it. Guys, there you have it. It's hacked, so cool. So subscribe, please subscribe. Guys, that's all I have time for today. Goodbye.